Pwede po bang ma-confirm yung nangyari sa isang eskwelahan sa Calabarzon kung saan muntik magkaroon ng school shooting dahil sa conversation na nangyari daw sa Roblox?
First, we have conducted rescue operation of 7 high school students. This is on the preemption of violence school in Calamba, Laguna. So that was on January 13 of this year. The information came from our foreign counterpart and the ATFG. So they became aware concerning this Facebook communication by one user.
Yung binanggit nyo pong may nag-report sa inyo, sino po ba yung nag-report? Kasi balita po namin, foreign law enforcement pa ito.
Yes, ma'am, foreign law enforcement. Since we are member, the PNPACG is member of the ATFG, Anti-Terrorism Fusion Group. So on January 13 this year, ma'am, we were informed by this foreign law enforcement agency through our Anti-Terrorism Fusion Group concerning Facebook communication by the user RAH. Na kuha tong information, ma'am, through our Facebook messages. So the messages reference on past mass attacks and discuss using a fire extinguisher for a flash blinding effect, IEDs, or the improvised explosive devices, and Molotov cocktails. So it also stated desire to carry out a school shooting locally and an intent to die by suicide. Then the message also asserted family possession of firearms is already inquired at a firing range on how to practice gun shooting. Then some information mentioned plans toward the natural selection or the Hitler shirts, yung sa Nazis. Then post a final YouTube message and write a manifesto. So ito yung ginawa nung ating na-rescue, ma'am. Then they plan to conduct a mass shooting on supposed to be February 16, 2026 during the Foundation Week along with these 6 friends. So the intervention was made by PNPACG. So nagkontain ng rescue operation with these 7 together with the DSWD of LGUs and including also the local police. And for the record, ma'am, also we have conducted already 5 rescue operations. So aside from this Calamba, meron pa tayong other 5 rescue operations. This involve rescue of 12 minors. The areas include Marikina, Las Piñas, Negros Occidental, and Pampanga. And currently, we have 7 cases now ongoing for the conduct of this rescue. So, for the information of this committee. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Colonel Desiderio. Sobrang nakakabahala po. Talagang 180 degrees away from gaming, no? Itong mga plano gumamit ng mga sandata, gumawa ng karahasan laban sa mga kapwa estudyante at hanggang sa sarili, the use of firearms, yung mga na-recover ng PNP na mga t-shirts, with those messages, with those teams, yun pong 5 operasyon pa dun sa naka-rescue ng 12 minors sa Metro Manila, Luzon at Visayas, nagbunga ng 7 cases. Ito po ba ay panay sa Roblox din, at least nagsimula yung mga pag-uusap ng mga minors na yon?
Yes, ma'am. As per study ng ating unit in the ACG, so it all started in Roblox.
So baka it's just a matter of time. I hope not na meron pa kayong kailanganing i-rescue pati sa Mindanao. Kasi parang kumakalat, no, based on these previous operations. Sino po yung grupo na kumausap sa mga bata, at least doon sa kaso sa Laguna?
Actually, ma'am, it will goes back doon sa tinatawag nating nihilistic violent extremism or the NVE. So most of the groomer nag-groom sa mga bata natin, ma'am, or sa mga children or minors, they are from abroad. Also only one listed lang namin sa aming data is only one yung sa Filipino, but the victim is abroad naman. And yung ating nihilistic violent extremism, ma'am, we have this extremism where yung intent, ma'am, no, the individuals or group commit or advocate violence because they believe life, society, or human existence has no value or meaning. So may mga group dito, ma'am, suspected yung information na pinoprovide sa atin ng ating foreign law enforcement agency counterpart, yung victim ang tinuturo sa atin dito, ma'am. Since once na nakuha natin information, so we provide information report sa ating foreign counterpart, law enforcement agency. So sila na yung nagpapalab doon sa areas of concern. And that's why yung ating ACG, ma'am, the PNP, so we have now a cyber patroller, mostly dito sa ating mga gaming apps, particularly sa Roblox nga. So nagpapatrolling tayo doon. And we had also a meeting with Roblox recently.
Yung sinabi nyo, Colonel, na paniniwala nila na life has no value. Balita nga po namin, bukod dun sa natural selection t-shirts, may na-recover din kayong t-shirts na ang nakalagay ay No Lives Matter. So, merong ganun talaga silang filosofiya. Ano po yung profile ng mga students, Colonel? Nasa public schools ba sila? Private schools ba sila naka-enroll? At ano yung income profiles ng mga magulang nila?
Actually, ma'am, the age profile is between 12 years old to 15 years old. Most of our rescued minors. Then, sa school naman, majority of them are studying sa mga private schools.
So yung income profile ay ng mga magulang ay masasabi ba nating middle class hanggang mayaman hanggang lower class?
Based doon sa ma'am, na-rescue lang natin current data. So, since nasa private school, we assume nasa middle income and high income families.
And gaya ng sinabi nyo, 7 ng operasyon na mag-rescue, lahat mga bata na initially ginrooms. You use the word grooming eh. Dati naririnig lang ng komiteng ito ang grooming kaugnay ng OSAEC, SISAM, pero pati pala dito sa tinawag niyong nihilistic violent extremism, may grooming. Nakita niyo yung pattern na observe itong lahat na 7 cases at least sa Roblox.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, when we collect the data, some of them goes on ideology on Nazism, ma'am. Ito yung political principles of the National Socialist German Workers' Party, yung kay Adolf Hitler. Then some on Satanism, since may na-recover din kami. They often view as a symbol of individualism and rebellion. Then other is yung Order of the Nine Angels, yung sa occult. Then some on idolizing personalities, particularly involving violent extremism or violence. Mostly yung mga mass shooting incident happened in the US, Australia, more recently, ma'am. So they idolize these personalities.
So mukhang nagko-converge sa mga incidents na to, maraming negative influences, nagsasanib-sanib at nagbubunga ng ganitong mga konkretong incidents. Alright, maraming salamat, Colonel.